Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all. Brothers and sisters, greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. You know, see, you make so one more about Hurricane Melissa. You don't know, we can't let up because, you know, there is no measures being applied according to the standard. But anyway, I make you watch a quick video regarding some complaints of the people in Petersfield, Westmoreland, and who I hear the sentiments of the Prime Minister on the back end of the video. You know, see, and we will discuss that, we will break it down. You know, see, we give thanks.
An appeal this evening for the security forces to maintain a presence at the Petersfield High School in Westmoreland. This following incidents involving persons with criminal intent. The shelter resident says the school watchman cannot secure the facility alone. More in this report.
After TVJ News aired the plight of the Petersfield High School shelter, Jamaicans have answered the call with supplies. Despite the goodwill, safety and security remain a concern.
There have been two major incidents. I have given the reports to the relevant authorities who are investigating. So yes, there have been incidents that have occurred. But of note, one of the main incidents that is being reported on social media, it was none of the residents. People brought people from the outside onto the compound.
In addition to the residents who are stationed here, the shelter manager explained outsiders in need are also cared for. When we visited the shelter Friday, we observed a few police officers. It's believed their presence was spawned following an incident Thursday night. Although grateful, the people want them to remain into the night because
we have teenagers here, we have babies here, we have newborns, lots of females on the compound. So with that being said, safety is key and it's very important, especially for the young ladies, because we're being targeted. As okay, there's nobody there at night, so after a certain hour or whatever, it's free game.
With no electricity, the shelter manager says persons are urged to remain in the classrooms turned bedrooms at the stroke of dusk.
They can't go to the restroom, they can't even go sit on the outside because the classrooms are hot, but they can't sit there, so they're locking themselves in because of fear of men invading the compound and doing illegal activities. I'm pleading for solar lights and at least a generator.
In addition to light, they want increased patrols by the police and JDF. The issue of security at shelters was put to Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, who told a media briefing that while he hadn't received any reports of breaches, he will ensure persons are protected.
You would have received a report that the number of shelters are reducing daily. Those that exist, so that you have raised it, we're going to Cabinet in a few minutes. I will raise it in the Cabinet with Minister Chang, and we will ensure that there is adequate coverage for them. I've just made this appeal to every Jamaican. Yes, it's a difficult time. Yes, there is disaster all around. But now is not the time to take advantage of persons weaker than yourself.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
Yes, sir. Brothers and sisters, greetings again. You see, is to notice one of the first thing the reporter ensure is elaborate is Jamaicans answer the call after the people basically take over Peterfield school as, shelter, temporary shelter. And without she saying that, the rest of information in the video, I make you know, say, boy, I saw it go. It's like I just get up people just walk in because they not have nowhere else to go. You see, that is not a government organized situation. You see, one security guard for secure the numbers of people. You can see from the video the amount of people in the school full. You see, one security guard, Rasta, they protect the people, them. People from outside element with nefarious intent, you can hear. They gone molest the people them. You see, a location like that without electricity, without security, vulnerable women and children left on them own for, boy, I tell you, heartbreak. I'm not telling a lie, star. Not telling a lie. No. It's why we not agree with the argument of the Prime Minister we must say more lend the people them the electric generator them we already get as that part of the donation from people. Yeah? Why this place in particular? I mean, it not isolated, it not black off, it not marooned. Because obviously police can get forgotten when them get probably, I don't know, when the people are in a distress and call upon them, police can reach there. See? Why a generator and reach them people already in a position and a place like this? How comes? Are they PNPs? Are they PNP people? Can you say, although from historical records will show that Westmoreland is like a safe seat for the PNP. You see? So when we talk about this hurricane being politicized and the relief funding and things like that is being politicized, untold millions has been bestowed upon Jamaica in terms of relief. I want to say the effect of it is like what the Prime Minister do with them money. And where my sit down pan it so long for, where my wait pan for help out the people them who suffer mainly by this thing here. This Prime Minister is wicked and him go down in an issue worse than Siaga, From the other day, I say I have a thing I want to show you about one thing when I put it on this, the picture static, you have to zoom it in or something like that. You can't bring it up and see where him say underneath him yearbook. That's why I'm gonna really publish the picture on YouTube as yet. You see, one time I find a way of do it, I'll do it and show the eye them. This guy I set the stage for him own wish, him own prediction come to pass, Rasta. This guy I want to be the guy where Marcus Garvey predict about the head where I roll down King Street. You see? I say all the while, Siaga is a wicked Prime Minister, don't get me wrong. But Siaga can't hold a candle to this black Jamaican national. Cannot hold a candle to this man who is a part of the majority population of Jamaica. This man have no feeling, no compassion, Rasta. This man is he's a thief. Bounty Killer and Vibes Cartel and them people, they do more. They entertain them, show more compassion and kind sentiments than this brother here towards the people them. In 1988, when Hurricane Gilbert blew across Jamaica, as you know, Siaga have him CIA links and connection and American links and connection. He was well respected across the international world because of him conservative views and things like that. The world was mainly run by conservative type of people. And as you know, the power structure across the world benefit from conservatism. Nonetheless, well, people from all over, all Europe and everywhere, you say, be a white man, you say, put up like posts and run back the electricity across Jamaica. Like me say, it's happening, the hurricane happening in September, seen, and by December. In terms of electricity then, the country look like it never got through a hurricane. That's my experience. I not ask nobody to validate that statement there. You know, see it? Zinc. Me, a Rockfort, me live where it's a predominantly PNP community. Seen? And as far as so my knowledge concerned, the distribution of the zinc them and the relief where Edward Seaga get was evenly split across the board, are sufficiently split, are sufficiently supplied to place like East Kingston, where me never hear nobody complain about that. I want to tell you, say Seaga make a big mistake that year there. When somebody ask him something about the people them complain, and him say, oh, Jamaican people, it's just like black scandal bag. That is what destroyed, in my opinion, that is what destroyed Seaga's chances in the 1989 election. Because after the rebuilding process of Gilbert Rasta, you know, most people will have bad sentiments and negative views of Seaga. It kind of, you know, I look upon it like, you know, Carl feel we only Paliba right there, Rockfort, you know, we know that from a long time. We remember Souls, them, remember Miss Heard. Them people usually campaign for GLP and never have no fear. See? So there was a section of East Kingston that was that way inclined. You know, see? So the influence was there and sentiments was being built. Seaga mouth make him a mistake and create him downfall. You know, see? This brother here who is, in terms of race, him is nothing like Edward Seaga. Edward Seaga was a different race. I don't know if my white or my Arab or what. But he wasn't a black man, Rasta. You know, see? And Edward Seaga dealing the thing with more compassion. I'm not telling you no lie. Andrew Wolney said, no, Andrew Wolney sit down on him and star. And I deal with the thing and people like people blind. PNP dumb. I said that hurt me to my core. This is an ample opportunity for PNP show some balls. Grow some balls and be in representation of poor people or for the people them where struggle Rasta. Me a woman that asks for Jankro. Me never hear her see anything like that. Me never hear her see any what people out where other import Jankro from somewhere else. Me say me never see nothing like this yet. The ineffectiveness of the PNP shall go down in history as well, unquestionable. Me no business. Mark Golden now have no political balls. Mark Golden too awkward for Jamaica politics. Him too comfortable. For him career, for him past life, make him well alright. Rasta. In the face of such a, disaster. What happened to the people? Come on, man. Come on, Rasta. A joke this aya. You know what I mean? Big joke. You know, see, where is the generators? Why aren't place of relief like these? It's without electricity. You know, see, you don't understand. We don't understand, Rasta. Lend them one. According to you, I lend poor people something where you get, forgive them. On top of the 100 million US where you get. are about to get from the insurance policy wanna set up for Jamaica. Even pan credit, Rasta. The common hardware them and people like those, common contractor them with a little backhoe, a little front end loader, can contract them and trust some work if on use off the whole of the economic purse in on a political campaign the other day, because it seems like that happened. It seems like on use off the economy of Jamaica, the capital, in a phone campaign for win the election by buying vote and being nefarious and corrupt for reach on the day. You know, see, because see there, Buchanan seems like him have a strong case. The court says so on me. The court grant him the petition to take the Prime Minister court Rasta regarding discrepancies in the community. You have some little people who say them are labor right. Una not Jamaican, una belly lick, and una self alone una live for. Particularly in a time like this where people are suffer with dead dog and dead animal around them place. People, women, people house, swamp, people house stone, lake. Because that is a perfect lake up in I think a Williamsfield, Manchester, which is again a mountainous area in a Jamaica. You know, see it. Turn a lake. And people have to live this and surviving and that without no physical effort from the government to alleviate them sort of destruction and disaster upon the people. Why are these people PNP? Is this a PNP constituency? Eh? And with incidents like these that happen, Rasta and I give people 10 million. Figure 10 million what? A 10 million pound? For go rectify them disastrous situation, the Rasta. Eh? And then now, when you hear the complaint and the plight of the people them in a Petersfield, you know, send a deployment of JDF soldier go down there, go camp out and secure the people them Rasta. Women and children, women can't live out of them cell at night time because this is what it becomes technically, you know. When I encourage the people them to lock up themselves when it come dust and not come out all them piece, all them shit, and them one another in there, just like GP. What kind of inhumane condition them there? When I have poor people that live in a Rasta. Them things are right, Rasta. Like me said, that guy has set the stage for the prediction of Marcus Garvey fall upon him. You see it? And the facts of boy, I tell you, star, the PNP party is not in existence anymore. You see it? It's like them get promised a share of the funds where them plan for siphon off politically for themselves. Like them promise a buyout as well, Rasta. I can't see it no other way. You know, see it? And when I listen to the Prime Minister argument regarding the insecurity of the people them in a Petersfield, it's light and uncompassionate in an ear that care and sentiments there where poor people would need for sort of, even though no action, not there behind it, Rasta, fake, like you feel the people them pain no Rasta. You talk like say you reason with the gunman them or whoever and make them know, say, you know what, Jaja.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision, Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm going to tell you. These are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel.